What's up, guys? Today we're doing spark plugs on my mom's 2020 Mercedes benz GLE350. I think the dealership wanted $800 something dollars? $865 just to replace the spark plugs and the coilover plugs here. I believe we got a genuine set of both from FCP Euro for only under $400. So we're gonna save them some dollars today. And we're going to walk you through step by step. So first step is to take the engine cover off. It's really easy. It's held on by these two stubs right here. There's one here and the second one right here. Oh, there's a third one back there as well. So if you just slowly tug off of this one corner here, second one here, third one back here, it'll come right off. I forgot the fourth one's right there. But yeah, you just pull straight up, should come off. Next, to get to the spark plugs over here, you want to take this plate off. Now this plate is held on by two bolts, 1 and 2, right here and right here. Those two bolts are held on by these E-sockets. I bought this set off Amazon, so it's an E12 for these bolts, right here. And then next, we're going to take the coilover plugs off. So those are also an E-socket. I believe it's E8. Let me just verify here. So here's an E8 socket right here, and it fits right on there, okay? You're gonna wanna use your small quarter inch wrench for that. So we'll get work on that right now. All right, so here are the old stuff off. Yeah. It's super easy. What I do is I wiggle this back and forth until it comes off the spark plug. And then after you do that, you just, undo the little tab with a flathead screwdriver, push down on the gray tab and pull this way, and it'll pop off the clip. And then for the spark plug itself, I got this wobbly 12-point thin-walled spark plug socket from FCP Euro. So it gets these off like super easy. Other than that, I'm gonna go bust out the new set. All right, so I got the old setup here, new setup here. OEM Mercedes plugs. So when installing, you just put the spark plug all the way down till it seats on the tool like that. And I just like to hand thread it. Don't even use a tool on it. And just check for snugness with the tool once it won't go anymore with your hand. All right, guys, I've since lost all my footage, but the putting things back together is just a reverse of this assembly. But once you've buttoned everything up, obviously start the car. Got no warning lights. Drive it around. When it comes to tightening everything, I just did everything Guten tight, so that's just snug. Doesn't take a lot of force at all, especially those spark plugs. And been driving this around for a few months now since doing the job. Everything's been good. So save yourself $400. I'll include the link to the kit from FCP Euro as well as the spark plug tool in the description. Good luck. Have fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this a like, shoot a comment, and we'll see you next time. Peace.